Homeowners often face high annual costs, with cleaning gaps being a major chore. Imagine a solution that pays for itself: the Deck Gap Guard. This innovative product minimizes the accumulation of debris, preventing rot, mold, and algae, while ensuring proper drainage year-round. Simply blast out small debris with a high-pressure garden hose, drastically reducing the labor-intensive task of digging out dirt, which may harm your deck boards. With easy installation, the Deck Gap Guard not only extends the lifespan of your decking materials, but also enhances airflow and drainage, keeping your outdoor space in pristine condition. Spend your precious summer days relaxing on your deck instead of laboring over dirty gaps. Make the smart investment today by calling 402-686-4257 for more information or to purchase your Deck Gap Guard.